Do you have some hungry sports fans that are looking for a delicious dish?
We are!
Then boy, have I got the perfect dish for you. This is football chicken. Let me show you how I make this. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350. Then spray your 9x13 pan. This helps things not get too sticky. This recipe normally calls for chicken wings, but today we're going to use cut up chicken breasts. You are going to take paprika and you are going to sprinkle it all over the chicken. Then you are going to put it in the oven and you are going to bake it for 30 minutes. If it's wings, we only did 15 minutes because it's cut up chicken breasts. While the chicken is in the oven cooking, you are going to make the sauce. You need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You are going to need a 1/2 cup of honey. I took the cooking spray and I sprayed the measuring cup, and that helps the honey to come out a lot easier. You need a 1/4 cup soy sauce. A 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 5 cloves of garlic chopped. This step is totally optional. It is red pepper flakes. If you want a really good kick to the sauce, you add more red pepper flakes. If you want just a little bit of a kick, you add less, or you can just leave them out. Then you stir the mixture, combining the ingredients. Just before the chicken is done, we like to microwave the mixture for 40 or 45 seconds, whichever you choose, and this helps to dissolve the honey, making the sauce a little smoother. Once the chicken is out of the oven, it is going to have juices in the pan, and you are going to want to drain as much as the juice off from the chicken as possible. Be very careful doing this step. Then I like to take my spoon and I like to break the chicken apart so that the sauce is going to get in between each piece. I do this even if I'm using chicken wings. Then you are going to take the sauce and you are going to drizzle it all over the chicken. Make sure you scrape the bowl to get all of the garlic and the goodies that stick inside of it. Then what I do is I take my spoon and I actually stir it in the chicken to try and coat every single piece. Then back in the oven it goes. If you're using wings, it's an additional 30 to 45 minutes, but I only did 30 minutes because we were not using wings. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Doesn't that just make your mouth water? Make sure you grab that recipe below because you and your family are going to love this as much as we do. And hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Have a wonderful day.
you cross your eyes?
That's how hungry I am.
Okay.
That's method acting, Mom.
Okay, ready?